Hello students, in this video we will read about sentence and its structure. We will read about the kinds of sentences, but before this we should know what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which is giving a complete sense. In sentence structure we have three type of sentences: simple, compound and complex sentence. Simple sentence, as we all know, what is a simple sentence? Simple sentence in which we have one independent clause, means one subject and one finite verb, or giving a complete thought in itself. That is called simple sentence. Look at the example. Grace opened the door. Grace is subject here. It's a name of someone. And what is the predicate? Opened the door. What is the verb here? Verb is opened. So we have one subject, one verb. So it is called a simple sentence. Another example, the table and chairs need to be cleaned. Here we have two subjects, but these are joined with the help of compound subject. These are joined with the help of coordinate conjunction. So that's why it is known as compound subject. The tables and chairs, these are compound subject and having one finite verb, that is need. So this is also called simple sentence. Another example, with the two different verbs, but these are also joined with the help of coordinate conjunction and. The boy smiled and nodded. So smiled and nodded, these are known as compound verb. I hope this is clear. Next we have compound sentence. In the previous slide, we have read about compound verb and compound subjects. But these were the example of simple sentences. But now we will read about compound sentence. Compound sentence is having two or more independent clauses. But these two different sentences are joined with the help of coordinate conjunction. These two different sentences joined with the help of coordinate conjunctions. They are known as compound sentences. They are like coordinate conjunctions. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. It's easy to learn if you will read fanboys. Okay, these F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O stands for o, Y, yet, S, so. So it's, if you will read fanboys, then it will be very easy to learn. Example, Grace opened the door and she looked outside. Means we are having two different sentences, but these two different sentences are joined with the help of and. But they both are independent sentences. If we will separate them, then they are giving a complete sense in itself. Like Grace opened the door. Second sentence, she looked outside. They are giving their own sense. So we have joined two different sentences with the help of coordinate conjunction and. Compound sentence, another example, I am good at swimming, but I don't like it. It was raining, so I took an umbrella. It was late, yet I wasn't tired. I haven't met Steve, nor have I met Suzanne. So these are the examples in which we have used fanboys and we have made compound sentences. I hope it is clear.